Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal and today I am going to review one of the best highlighting and contour powders that I've ever tried. I don't know why not a lot of people are talking about this brand because it's actually a local brand and it's just easily available here in the Philippines, and it's very affordable as well, which is why even now I recommend it to you guys, and it's one of the best that I've tried ever. So the product that I want to talk about is the Shawill Perfect Powder, and it says here 3-dimensional, soft and smooth. So I don't know why not a lot of people are talking about this product because it's actually really good. So I actually just discovered this lately when I was just going around the mall. Since I'm here to review product for you guys, I decided to try their powders, the Shawill powder. I actually went to one Shawill branch and then I just watched their powders and I thought, wow, these are actually very finely milled and felt so smooth. So I thought, why not try it? And I saw a highlighting color and then like a contour powder, and I've been on a hunt for the best bronzing / contour powder which is not too orangey or not too dark. Today I'm going to show you guys one of the treasures that I found from the drugstore. Okay, so first I have the shade 001. So this is the highlighting shade. So this is the product and it comes in this actually I really like the packaging of this. It's kind of thin and it looks very sleek, honestly. And let me tell you guys, these are very finely milled when you touch it, and it's actually very pigmented, as you can see. I mean, I don't really see why not a lot of people are talking about this. This should be like hyped up. I mean, wow, because it's actually like one of my holy grails right now, and it's super affordable. So that is the shade 001. And then the other one is the shade 003, and this is the contour powder. And if you are looking for a contour powder that is not too orangey, not too red, you are gonna love this. And this will work for someone with skin tone like me, or if you have light skin tone. Okay, here you go. I mean, look at that. So the color is something like this. And what's great about this is that it doesn't have a red undertone. It's definitely a cool toned bronzer. So let me swatch this right beside 001. Okay, so that is how this one looks like. And it probably won't show up too much on bare skin. I mean, you can barely see it, but once you have your foundation on, you are gonna see the effect. And what's great about this is, like I said, it just looks like a shadow. It's not too crazy. They feel super buttery when you swatch it, and it's not chalky at all. I mean, it's just a really nice powder. Okay, so first I'm going to set my face so that the powders won't look patchy. So you have to do that with any kind of bronzer or highlighter that you're using. Since we are reviewing a local brand, might as well review the Nichido final powder as well. I'm not really a big fan of this powder, which is why I'm not really talking about this on my channel. I just don't like it that much. So I'm not gonna apply too much. I'm just going to apply some on my under eye, on my nose. So I would use a brush with this, but wait. I don't know, like I feel like it's not good for oily skin. It oils up really fast when I use this powder, and I don't know, like I'm just not a big fan. But you guys know that I always give chances for products. I mean, I still need to use it more. Maybe I will like it, but for now, it's just gonna be in my makeup collection, and yeah. Did we set it? Good enough. Okay. Okay, so first I think we're going to contour. I am going to use the shade 003. As you can see, it looks light, but once you apply it on your face, you will see that it just gives the perfect amount of contour or bronzer. Okay? Do you see that? It just gives you that perfect shadow on your face without being crazy. So if you just want a really natural and subtle contour, go ahead and get this. I really love this product. It's super blendable and it's not difficult to use. I have tried so many bronzers and contour powders, they just end up looking super patchy on my skin. But this one is just so easy to work with, and like I said, it creates that super natural shadow on your face. See? And then I also apply some on my forehead. This might not show up on darker skin tones, then a little bit here. But if you have light to medium skin tone, this will really show up on you. I really love how subtle this is, and this is exactly what I'm looking for in a bronzer or contour powder. I really don't want anything that's too intense, and I really need a powder like this for when my foundation is way too light and I just need to darken it up. This is like the best powder for that. Like, it just blends so perfectly into my skin. I don't know if you can see, but it just blends like a dream. It's very seamless. And then I'm gonna be using a smaller brush to contour my nose. This is just the perfect color for contouring your nose as well. Because if you're contouring your nose, you don't want to use something that has red undertone. This is just the perfect color. As you can see, it just looks like natural shadow, and it doesn't look like I used makeup to contour my nose. And this powder just neutralized my foundation because it was just way too light. So now we are gonna move on to the lighter shade, which is this one, 001. And then I'm just gonna use this brush. Wait, let me find a clean brush. So I'm just gonna use this brush here, and I'm going to highlight my face. And let me show you guys how awesome this product is. So I'm just gonna put a lot so you can see how pigmented this is. And this is actually really good for highlighting your under eyes, the bridge of your nose, and just the areas you want to highlight. It just, do you see that? I mean, it just really gives a highlighting effect, which you don't get from normal powders. And what's good about this is that, like I said, the powder is super finely milled, so it won't look cakey on your face. As you can see, it just looks really nice and smooth, and you don't get that a lot with like affordable powders. This is like one of the best. You see that, the difference? I mean, there's a huge difference. This is also perfect for if you're wearing smoky eyes. It's just gonna make you look really awake. And it's not difficult to blend at all. As long as you set your foundation, it's going to glide on your skin like butter. You can definitely see it with your own eyes, how it's making my face look so much brighter. And so this product will just make you look super awake and fresh. Okay, and then let's try to clean up my contour here with this. Do you see that? Oh my gosh, this is just really one of the best, or probably the best of the best from the drugstore. And then same on the other side. I'm gonna get a clean brush and then blend everything in. Probably gonna apply a little bit more of the contour shade because I want to make this part darker. I've been looking for a shade like this, like a contour but not too obvious, but at the same time it gives you a natural shadow without looking too patchy. The thing with a lot of contour powders that I've tried in the past, it's just so hard to blend. Okay, so here is the result. As you can see, super natural shadow, and it was able to brighten up my under eyes. It's just the best. So that is it. Really highly recommend this. This is gonna stay in my makeup table for my daily makeup. It's not going anywhere. That is it for my review today. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please leave this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video. And I will see you guys again next time.